Well, we certainly got the snow that Matt and I asked for. And I love it, don't get me wrong. I love it. I know, I'm coming to feed you. And check your water. We're having trouble keeping the animals' water is warm. It's only minus like 8, minus 12. Last year we had 0 issues. So we don't know. I don't know what's going on. The cords are working. The heaters are working. So we don't know. We don't know what the deal is. So figuring it out. But it's annoying. And one of my big rooster got frostbite. And it looks painful. That makes me really sad. So yeah, that's hobby farming in the winter can suck sometimes. Guys, I moved the water. It was minus 19 last night. Look at that. They are good. Whoop whoop. And yesterday we ordered a heater that mounts to the wall. So that'll help with humidity and keep them a little bit warmer. So whenever that gets here, hopefully in like a week, then hopefully it'll be better. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Look at how dark she is. Anna, you're so black. Are you playing? Oh yeah, you like him right now. Okay, I'll come feed you. Come on, let's go. Oh, this isn't working. I piled snow up to insulate it. Today on the Water Chronicles, they're slowly working. They're just about fully through all of the water. Riley's digging for poop. So yeah, so I think our old one just shorted out or something. Just gave up. It had enough. But yeah, but they're happy. It's a nice day out. I think it's only like minus 13 today, so all the animals are happy. We're just gonna let the dogs run around because it's nice out. We did it! All it took was a really nice day. And 2 water heaters. But we're done. It's heated. It's like plus 3 or 4 today. Oh, nice. So, yeah. Everything's melting. Alright guys, we got a new waterer. Let's see if it works and if they learn it. Alright guys, so this is your waterer. Look. Look. Oh no, look, up here. Right here. Right here. Look. Right here. She's like, why are you doing this to me? She's like, just give me water. They're trying to figure it out. Oh my goodness, you are just a mess, hey? Yes, good job. Good job. They'll get it. Some of them are already starting to get it, so they'll get it. Lucy! Lucy, go for a run! Come on, let's go for a run! Come on, go for a run! Lucy! Moose! Lucy, I'll go get you! Lucy! Come on, let's go! Come on! Come on! Everybody's out except Rowdy. So free goats, everyone. Whoever's out of the fence, if you can catch them, put them in your car. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, Dad's gonna do the yeah. Dad's gonna come and snow blow so you guys can't get out. He's coming. He's coming. Rowdy, where you going? Moose, come on! Snow blowing. He did the other night, but it has filled in yet again. So he's out here trying to get rid of most of the snow so they can't hop over. Hey? Yeah. Oh, you're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Are you fluffy? You got some straw on your chin. It's okay. You can go into the safety of the shelter. Hello, little Gambit. So we got a new member of the farm. She's a stray that my cousin had show up on her doorstep. And she fed her and gave her a warm place to stay. And until she could trap her so that she could bring her here. And she did a very good job, but she is very scared. Just adjusting. She just got here yesterday. Come here, baby. She just got here yesterday. So she's just adjusting. I gave her this bed so she can hide away from me and she can hide away from Gambit too. You can't poke her. And she's got a little hammock and her food and water. So she's just staying there, so she's quarantined. They haven't seen any signs of illness or ear mites or nothing, and she's also pretty young, so they think she's born in August. So that means that she's probably like 5 months old-ish, which checks out because she's about that size. So we're gonna try to be her friends, but we're gonna let her settle in. She's also in there so that she doesn't run away, because if she gets out of the barn when I open the door, then who knows if I'll ever see her again. So trying to get her used to me, acclimated to the farm, and we'll see what her future holds, whether she becomes an indoor barn cat like Gambit, or if she never warms up or doesn't like staying in the room or whatever, then she can be a barn cat with Timmy. So just kind of depends on what she's like and if she warms up to us. She is just scared, so I think she will warm up, but it's just going to take some time. So yeah, so we have a little addition. Not sure if it's a girl or boy yet. Hey, Gambit? We're not sure. So we're just, we're going to let her settle in for a few days. She hasn't really been walking around her pen if I'm out. So, hi, baby. If I'm here. So I'm just letting her get acclimated to me and letting her know that I'm not going to harm her. But yeah. So camping on the farm, we've been fighting the snowdrifts. It's like a full-on war with Mother Nature this winter. It's been brutal. The snow is heavy. Thousands of pounds of snow. We're moving thousands of pounds of snow drifts, and it seems never ending. So spring can't come fast enough. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned and we'll keep you in the loop. And just like that, we got a big snow wall. Hey. But they can't jump over it. Getting some water. They got some hay. And they are ready to not be a problem in the next few days. Right, goatees? Oh, you guys, there's more than enough hay. Plus, you've been in your hay shed all day eating more than your fair share. Crazy goats. Alright, well, that about wraps up our evening. Oh my goodness, they're so mean. Well guys, it's a balmy minus 31 here without the wind chill. So, feeding them. And we've got the snow hills all cleared out. So they can go and rest in their pen and keep warm and huddle. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go have coffee and be warm.